Welcome back to Anu's kitchen. Now we have mango season. We can make varieties of pickles using mangoes. Now I am going to show a very simple and easy method of preparing instant mango pickle. Let me move on to the ingredients. 1 mango. I have taken the mango and I have peeled the skin and cut it into small pieces. Required oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and hing. Begin the preparation. Take a pan and keep it in medium flame and take the required oil. You need little bit more oil for the pickle. To this you have to add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And allow it to splutter. Now the mustard seeds are spluttering. To this you have to add hing and switch off the flame. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now to the mango pieces we have to add salt, then chilli powder, little turmeric and mix well. Now you can see it is completely mixed. Now the next step is take the oil and add the oil to the pickle. And mix well. This is very simple way of preparing mango pickle. Even the beginners can try this at home. I'd like to give you one tip. Any pickle you prepare, the oil should float on the top of the pickle. When the oil floats on the top of the pickle will not get spoiled for a long time. So please do remember this. Now the pickle is ready. You can try this at home and please do share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.